Hello, as you can see, this is a healthy melon tree plant. And then, as you can see, this one is a damaged melon tree plant.
Assalamualaikum and hello. So, the farmer out there, in this video, I will show you how to save your crop melon. If your melon get the disease, please watch this video. In this video, we will show you how to solve your problem. At the same time, you all also can save your money from the disease. Okay, if your melon get the disease, your money will lose. So in this video, we will show you some method like mechanical and chemical to save your crop. Please watch the video.
This is the symptoms on leaf. The leaf surface become wrinkled and some part of the leaf turning yellow. So, this is whiteflies. Whiteflies are very small insects. They are white to pale yellow in color. To diagnose whiteflies, we have to inspect the underside of the leaf.
Okay, for the next part, I will show you the symptom for cucurbit yellow stunning disorder virus. As you can see at the leaf, it will show the yellow sign at the leaf. This sign because of the disease from the whitefly.
For the next part, we are going to using the mechanical method. So I will show you guys how to use this method. So for the first start, we using the cutter to cut the part of the leaf that attacked by the disease. So the video please. So this is the way we cut the leaf that attacked by the disease.
So the next part we are going to do a IPM strategy. So the first one we are going to demonstrate a cultural method. So for cultural method we are going to remove the weed. This is because the weed is a host for whiteflies. So when whiteflies lay egg on the weed, they are going to move the whiteflies from the weed to the plant.
For biological method, effective agents such as Enkelsia species are benefit to kill whiteflies. Selective foliar insecticide like fluonisamine and pymethoxine help reduce and prevent further spread of whiteflies.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nur Iman bersama Encik Muin sebagai supervisor di ladang melon di kos kita Nizam Kebun Besut. So saya akan tanya beberapa soalan berkaitan dengan ladang dengan tanaman melon. So soalan pertama saya kepada Encik Muin, boleh saya tahu apakah jenis-jenis penyakit yang ada pada tanaman melon?
Melon banyak penyakit lah. Antara penyakit yang biasa dengan melon ni, yang pertama penyakit downy. Penyakit downy. Lepas tu virus ni CMV, WMV, cucumber, mosaic virus CMV. Lepas tu watermelon, mosaic virus. Tu untuk virus. Lepas tu lagi kodri pelakuk berdebu. Lepas tu lagi gumstem. Tu antara penyakit-penyakit melon yang biasa kena.
Jadi so apa simptom yang ada pada penyakit tu? Simptom tanda-tanda.
Simptom kalau untuk downy, kita boleh tengok daun dia tu akan jadi kuning. Kuning dia kuning. Tapi kuning dia tu tak kena pada ulat. Tu downy. Lepas tu kalau virus ni dia akan jadi bintik-bintik kuning. Bintik-bintik kuning masa daun. Lepas tu kalau kau beri, kita boleh tengok di daun tu ada debu-debu putih. Debu-debu putih tu bagus. Lepas tu kalau dalam stand tu kita akan tengok batai pokok tu dia jadi bulu. Jadi bulu ya. Lepas tu daun dia akan jadi layu.
So soalan tak saya, macam mana kita nak tengok keadaan penyakit tu pada daun tu? Macam mana? Kita boleh dari segi warna ke?
Macam saya ayat tadi ya. Kita nak tengok kita tunjuk pada simptom penyakit tu. Dia macam awal-awal dia akan jadi kuning-kuning ni kan. Jadi kuning-kuning lepas tu lama-lama dia akan report ni virus. Lepas tu kalau macam tu dengan stem ni dia akan bubuk di buffer. Lepas tu mata bau minyak. Bau minyak dia berlari. Lepas tu dia akan lari lah pokok kan. So ni Koding tu yang daun tu dia ada putih-putih debu-debu putih.
So saya rasa penjelasan yang agak menarik dan lepas oleh Cik ini tu itu tadi jawapan yang sangat baik. So saya rasa itu saja kita punya video. Kita jumpa video lain.
Now I'm going to show you how to implement a mechanical method. I'm going to cut leaf that had affected by white flies. For your information, the cubic yellow stunting disorder can be controlled and reduced to very low levels, but 100% elimination is unrealistic. Doing a mechanical method such as pruning can slow disease spread. To summarize this video, we have to know that the cucurbit stunting yellow disorder is caused by whiteflies. So, to all the farmers out there, we need to control this vector to save our plant. We need to do a early scouting and do a integrated pest management to save our yield and our money. So, to all farmers out there, have you faced this problem? We need to share your problem with us and don't forget to comment.